Hi guys, this is Mr. Casper. Here's our next word problem. Joyce bought 2 pounds of apples. She bought 3 times as many pounds of potatoes as apples. The melons she bought were 10 ounces lighter than the total weight of the potatoes. How many ounces of how many ounces did the melons weigh? Well, first thing we got to do is we have to figure out what we know and we don't know. We know we have apples. We have apples. So let's draw our tape diagram for apples. I'm going to put A for apples. And she has, let's say, this many apples. All right. Next, we know that's how many apples did she buy? She bought 2 pounds. So there's my 2. Not the neatest 2, but it'll work. Then we know that she bought potatoes. And she bought how many potatoes? Well, we know that she bought 3 times as many. So if here's 1 time, and we know that's 2, and she bought this many potatoes here, and then she bought this many. Now we have 3 times as many. Well, here we go. We know that. Then we also know that she bought some melons. And she bought the same amount of melons as potatoes, except that it was a little lighter. She bought this many melons, this many, but she also bought a little less, because we know it's 10 ounces less than this. So right here, this would be the 10 ounces less that she bought. So we'll make that green. So we know that this part right here, we need to subtract. So let's figure out how many potatoes she bought. Turn and talk to a partner, pause the video, and turn and talk to a partner, and try to decide how many potatoes she bought. And we'll start it up again. Hopefully you talked to your partner and you decided that you know that this is 2, and this is 2, and this is 2. So she bought 6 pounds of potatoes. Well, we know we have to subtract ounces. We can't subtract ounces from pounds. So the next thing you need to do is figure out how many ounces are in 6 pounds. So let's multiply that out. We know that, or you can use your chart. If you go to use your chart, you're going to come up with 96 ounces. That's how many potatoes she bought. And we know that the answer, it says it's 10 ounces less. So what do we have to do to this? We have to subtract 10 from this number right here. And it's your time to tell me what you think we got for an answer. And it would be 86 ounces. All right. You're going to be working on another problem in a minute. So get ready to move on to the next slide.